Hey, good morning. So, I will start with the third part of the analysis. I know it has been a while. I was stuck with few things. So, anyways, we'll get started. So, in the previous video, we did discuss about the job line or the fate line. In this part of the video, I will be discussing upon the headline. Okay, this line that cuts across, right? We will be also talking about the heart line, and we will also be talking about the lifeline. So these three lines are very important because they talk about the heartline talks about our emotions, the headline talks about the way we think, and the lifeline talks about overall timings, overall events, overall positive and negative aspects and their timing and things like that, right? So first we'll start with the headline. Now the headline, that is this line, you can see it's tied up to the lifeline for quite some time till this point. So this is approximately till or around the ages of 15, 16 or so. So there is a possibility that till the ages of 15 or 16, you were under the influence of your parents, more or less. Whatever your parents asked you to do, you followed that. It basically indicates that parents had a very strong influence on your personality. They were the decision makers, and you were sort of dependent on them for whatever decisions you had to take. So a lot of dependency on the parents seems to be there. You also seem to be strongly bonded with your family as well. But post the ages of 15 and 16 or so, you strive to become more and more independent. So that sort of a thing begins to come by, right? So 15, 16 onwards, you start becoming independent, and you can see a sort of an up pointing headline. It's sort of pointing towards the Mount of Jupiter. If I have to really understand, this bump looks to be going towards the Mount of Jupiter. So what it appears is that maybe there is a possibility that from the years 16 till the ages of maybe 22, 23 or so approximately from 16 till 22, 23 or so, you might have become very ambitious. You might have become very driven in life. You would have tried to push yourself mentally, especially. Mentally you would have gone into a very ambitious way of looking at life, striving for success, pushing for something better. The exact location of the bump is somewhere towards Jupiter and Saturn. So what I understand is that 16 to 23 mentally, you might have put in a lot of hard work, a lot of time into improving your day-to-day situations. It also indicates that during this time you would have also been very ambitious. So this sort of combination seems to be coming by very strongly from 16 to 23. It appears to be a period wherein a lot of positive transformation, independence, and ambition, these were the things that were beginning to come by, right? So that is what I see. Also then post this ages, that is 23 onwards, you can see some sort of conflicting situations coming by, especially over here. You can see few interference lines coming by. So this seems to be coming by right from the age, approximately I would say 25 till the ages of maybe 30 or so. Okay, so 25 to 30 or around this span of years, there is a possibility that there is a possibility that there might have been some mental stress. There is a possibility that you might have gotten into some form of headaches. There might have been some nervousness related issues, so some form of nervousness could have been there. Also these horizontal bars at times can also indicate towards depression. So there is a possibility that around 25 or 27 years of age, you might have faced some sort of mental depression or mind related issues or struggles as well. So it looks to be a slightly challenging period in that sense, wherein you would have faced some form of uncertainty as well. So those are the sort of periods that I see from 25 to 30. 30 onwards, you can see a line starts curving downwards. Clearly the line is bending downwards. And more or less the lines also starts becoming more and more clear, in the sense that what I feel is from 30 to 40 approximately would be a time where you will start gaining better perspective of life. You will be able to focus better, you will be able to apply yourself better. There would be a good clarity of mind. You would start understanding what you need to do in the long term. So 30 to 40 looks to be that sort of a period, though I do still believe that you would also come to a realization from 30 to 40 that you want to gradually transform yourself, and you want to rebuild yourself, and you would know in what ways you want to rebuild yourself. So that thought will start coming in, because what I do see is that from 30 to 40 also there are minor, what we can say, uncertainties that I still see in the mind. So the mind would still not be at complete peace, and you would begin to understand that there is a better way of approach to life. And that's where post the ages of 40 or so, you can clearly see the change in approach. The line starts drifting downwards. So 40 onwards, you will start getting into that rhythm of modifying your persona, becoming a bit more flexible, becoming a bit more spiritual, becoming a bit more creative and innovative. That right approach towards life seems to be gradually coming, and this is brilliant because very few people are able to reach their perfect state of resonance, right? That perfect state of mind that one needs to be in. So you will be able to gradually reach there. What I'm saying is from 30 to 40 as well, you would be reaching there, and you would practice to get there. But the real essence and the real fruits of all the discipline would probably come 40 onwards. I'd see 40 onwards a brilliant state of mind coming by. If you look into the headline, no major obstacles at all. The mind seems to be very, very fluid. Your ability to concentrate and focus looks much more better. And with a slight bent of the line, it also appears that you will become more creative, more innovative, and a bit more subjective. You will become a bit more spiritual as well. When the line starts bending downwards, or when it has this slight bend on itself, it more or less indicates becoming very, very ambitious. It also indicates that you will start going inwards, you'll start going within yourself and try to figure out, oh, this is what I want. You'll start to visualize and vision things. Practical plane will not be very, or the logical plane will not attract you that much. You will start going into your intuitive planes a bit more, and you might have huge aims for yourself. I've seen a lot of people having such slightly bent line to be becoming more and more introspective and come up with tremendous and huge aims. So that sort of transformation can happen, and I see that you will be very comfortable with this change that will come in post the ages of 40. And I think the change would be that from a logical and rational way of thinking, you will slightly modify yourself towards becoming a bit more creative, a bit more original, a bit more intuitive, a bit more passionate and introspective. So that's the change that might come in and really help you to sort of integrate your life. So that is what I see coming by. Now, looking in from your heartline's perspective, your heartline is clearly sort of aiming towards the Mount of Jupiter. If it's not going completely towards Jupiter, that we can clearly see. It's not like it's going totally towards Jupiter. It's somewhere between, right? It's between the Jupiter and the Saturn mount, but it bends upwards completely. So this indicates that you're a fairly expressive person. You like to express your feelings. You are a sort of person who is fairly expressive. You like to express your feelings, you like to confront your feelings. uh, yeah, so I do feel that fair amount of emotional expression would be there, and confrontation would be there. You would like to express your feelings. You would understand the emotional side of things well. You will be an emotional person for sure, right? uh, and you will like to talk about your feelings. Again, The line is going somewhere between Jupiter and Saturn. So this indicates a good balance. So emotionally, at times you want to be spontaneous, you want to have that fun element in your love life, but at the other times you are very realistic and practical as well. So good balance is seen, when it comes to your love matters. You're neither too fanciful, you're not that sort of a person who's too much into the dream and the dream realm, and too much there. Neither are you a sort of person who's overly practical, or yeah, very very self-centered. You're balanced. For you, having those spontaneity in love life is also important, but at the same time realism is also important. So good balance in the love life overall is seen. What I further see is that there are ages at which there can be some difficulties emotionally. So one comes to be around the ages of 25, and another comes to be around the ages of 29 or so. So around these two ages there is a possibility of some emotional difficulty. This might mean that you might have expected things to go in a certain manner, but that didn't happen. Or you were expecting things to go in a certain way. For instance, we might expect, okay, this relationship would work, and it might not work. So that can give some sort of inner disappointment. So those sort of emotional difficulties are possible, and this is not only related to relationships. This can also be related to anything, where you are emotionally not very uplifted or feeling emotionally dejected. So I do feel around 25 and 29 can be those slightly tricky situations. But apart from these two ages, I think more or less the line is pretty smooth and pretty well marked. So apart from that, your emotional health and stability would remain really really good. Apart from that, more or less, as I said, your line looks pretty sorted out. No major difficulties, and it goes till the end. So yeah, no major difficulty seen apart from these two ages. There is this additional line that goes and gets sucked into the headline. This can mean, especially in the later years of your life, somewhere around the ages of 60, 70s or so, or 65 or so, there is a possibility that, you might become very calculative in your emotional feelings. This can happen because your one branch from the heart line is going towards the headline. This can also indicate that maybe post this age you will not communicate that much emotionally, or you will start restricting yourself emotionally. Some event would happen that would probably make you more driven towards your intellect, and you would stop going too much towards the emotional side of things. That is what it appears to be, especially with this line dropping down. It does indicate towards a certain event which might take you off the emotional plane and take you higher on the mental plane. Maybe it is some sort of an higher realization as well. But in general, yeah, on the emotional side there can be some challenges. So yeah, this is another such age which we saw around 25 and 29. A similar sort of a tricky situation can come around 65, wherein some sort of an emotional difficulty can happen. So that is what I see from the heartline's perspective. Okay, now looking in from the lifeline's perspective, the lifeline looks good. You can clearly see these lines rising up, especially at this time you can see so many lines rising up, and this is that ambitious period. So this is the lifeline. The lifeline talks about the overall life. So when I'm talking about the overall life, these are the moments, overall how your life rhythm was, how the situation was. We talked specifically about from the heart's perspective, from the head's perspective, and from the job perspective, and now we are trying to focus core on the life perspective. So what I do see is that these rising lines are there, and typically they are seen from the ages of 16 till the ages of approximately 22 or so. So from 16 till 22, 23, it might have been a period where you would have pushed yourself extremely hard. You might have become very very ambitious. You might have scored really well in your exams. There is a possibility of qualifications into some really good exams. There is a possibility that you became very very ambitious. There is a possibility that you tried really really hard. So those sort of impressions seem to be coming in from 16 to 22, 23 or so. Then I do see some blockers coming by. You can see these horizontal rhythm lines coming in and breaking the rhythm. This seems to be coming and happening from 22 to 24, 25. So I do feel from 22 to 24 or 20, around this period, there is a possibility of some mind related difficulty, because these lines are going towards Saturn. Saturn represents mind trouble. Saturn also can indicate depression. Saturn can indicate accidents. Saturn can indicate some sort of slowness, because Saturn is a slow moving planet. So there is a possibility that from 22 to 24 some sort of slowness would have come. We see a brilliant rhythm, right? And there is something that stops that rhythm, right? There is something that is happening that begins to stop that rhythm. You're like, am I doing it the right way? Or maybe some sort of difficult situation comes up and you're like, I can't continue with this rhythm. So what I do feel is that from 15, 16 till 22, a very good rhythm, a very progressive, very ambitious rhythm coming in. But from 22 to 24, what I do feel is that there is a blocking mechanism. There's something that blocks you, and the energy that seems to be coming in mind is Saturn. And Saturn is to do with health issues, bones, depression, mind related issues, nervousness. So anything of this sort might have happened or come by in order to teach you some important lesson. Saturn is a very karmic planet. So there is a possibility of important karma getting dissolved around this time as well. So that sort of a thing might have happened. Anyways, moving ahead, 22, 20, 24 onwards, things look again good. You seem to be coming back to track again, and you can see these lines. But now these lines are, becoming straighter. Earlier they were going core towards Jupiter, right? But now they are starting or beginning to go towards Saturn. So what I do feel is that again the rhythm would have come by, and from the ages 24 till the ages of 26, 27 or so, you would have again come back to the rhythm, and this time you would have put in a lot of hard work and ambition as well combined. So now it's not only ambition, it's a lot of ambition plus hard work. So the rhythm seems to be coming back. But again, I do see some tricky situations coming by. You can see these horizontal bars and a disappointment line coming by as well. So this can again indicate a tricky situation. So again, from 26 till the ages of maybe approximately 30, around the ages of 26, 28 and 30, there might have been some or the other obstacles coming by in your life. There is also a possibility, as we do see one line dropping down, this can also indicate death of someone coming across those ages. It can also indicate that around this age maybe a change in location might have happened. It can also indicate that possibly a spiritual experience might have happened as well, or that sort of an experience. So anything of that sort is possible, because a drop down line from the lifeline indicates some sort of loss of energy in life, or some event causing a loss of energy. Now loss of energy can happen because of death of someone maybe, and at times it's observed because of change in location. So again you have to or it can happen because of some other event. So something around 26 draws your energy down, so that is seen. But anyways, 26, 28 and 30, there seems to be a pattern indicate some or the other obstacle coming by. Then the pattern continues for some more time. In fact, if I see closely from 30 to 35 as well, you can see that the lifeline is not very what we can say fluent. So 30 to 35, but it's improving. You can't see the horizontal bars anymore, which means overall the stress from 30 to 35 would start to reduce. But it would be, again, as we saw in your headline as well, it will be a transitional phase. You will start transforming yourself. So 30 to 35 would be the age wherein maybe you will start going in the right direction, but you would know that you have still not corrected your attitude towards your best outcome. So that corrective process will begin to happen, something like that, right? So yeah, 30 to 35 also looks to be a good period, a transformational period. But looking at the way your lifeline is behaving, there are minor possibilities of back related issues. So there is a possibility that you might have some sort of back related issue. So that is possible. Anyways, 35 onwards, the line is totally recovered. The line looks totally fine, totally in shape, right? In fact, from 35 approximately till 55 or so, the line is doing really well. I don't see any obstacles at all. And overall, I think it would be a really a positive time. 35 to 55 looks to be really good. I think, yeah, this phase looks to be really good from the perspective of your all the lines. If I look into the heart line also, it looks good. If I look into the headline also, it looks good. So most of the lines from 35 to 55 looks really good. I do see that there are few marks that goes out, right? And this can indicate a lot of travel. So there is a possibility that, and you being a spiritual person as well, there are possibilities of travels to spiritual places as well. From 35 to 55 in general, there can be high amount of restlessness that can come by because you want to explore, you want to expand. So all those sort of things can start happening, but overall from 35 to 55 I do see a lot of travel expansion. Overall the health will remain fine. Overall, you will not face too many obstacles, things look smooth. But yes, restlessness and travel is something which I do see as well. Now 55 onwards, you can clearly see a split coming by, a split from the lifeline going towards the center of the palm. So 55 to 60, there is a possibility that you might go more strongly towards spiritual realm. There is a possibility that you might start exploring spirituality in a much more consistent and a stronger way. That can start happening because one branch is completely going towards the Mount of Ketu. Also, 55 till the ages of 65, the line starts curving inwards, which means you will now start taking care of your home needs. You will not take care of career that much. You wouldn't be that much interested into career, whereas you will start taking care of your home life and your spiritual life much more. So the interest towards the spiritual and the home life would be much more. 65 onwards till the 90 plus years of age, you will start taking care of your home life completely and your spiritual life completely. So yeah, this is what I get overall, from your palm. Do go through the readings, do let me know further questions, and we can discuss that in the upcoming video. Till then, take care, have a brilliant day.